Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Google Assistant auto open. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside the iPhone storage here, what you need to do is simply scroll down and then tap on Google Assistant. Now if you are on your Android device, what you need to do is open up your menu and then long tap on the Google Assistant app, and there you'll find an option that says app info. And once you do that, all you gotta do is clear browsing data. Now here, let me just assume this is the Google Assistant option or app. Tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be the cause of the issue. And once that process is done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is head over to your app store or your Google store on your Android, and then all you gotta do is simply type in Google Assistant. And once you do that, all you gotta do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Let me just assume this is the app, and sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.